So when I submit my form, it should show me some message that if all the fields are correct, then registration is successful. So I will write register. Okay, so it's not register but response dot write, and on the successful submission of your form, whatever message you want to show, just show it here. So you can write is here is your registration is successful. Okay, let me make it bigger so you can see it. And now I think you are ready to run the program. If some error comes, then we will see it later. So just choose this, start debugging. You can run your program like this also, just click this button, or second option is just right click your project and say view in browser, and it will show a message. So you say yes, and you can see whatever forms you have here, registration ASPX, you can see it here, and it will open your registration.aspx, and it's showing some error, and it says that the control to validate property of regular expression is not filled. Yes, we have not given the property for this regular expression field. You must enter the valid email ID, but we haven't linked it to this control. So what we will do is we will choose this control to validate, and we will choose text box email ID. And the second thing is what kind of validation we want to give to our validator. So we want to check email ID with this validator. So what you need to do is just select this regular expression validator from here and go to the property and search for validate expression. This validate expression checks for the pattern of, for example, the email ID. There are some other options also. Just go here and click this button, and we will search for the internet email address regular expression. Just select this because we are validating internet email ID, right? And click OK. Now when I run the program, this time I will run it from here and say OK, and this time you can see your registration page, right? And for example, I write a username, programming knowledge, for example, email ID, let's enter a wrong email ID, some text, random text, and then immediately you see here you must enter a valid email ID. Then we will enter a password, and we will repeat our password once again.